Another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to use an Instagram reel as a template. Now if you want to use an Instagram reel as a template but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to find about it. So let's begin with the video. Now to use Instagram reel as a template, you need to make sure that you are connected to Wi-Fi or any type of data on a device, and make sure that you are connected to your Instagram account or logged into your Instagram account. So after that, you need to simply open Instagram on a device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So as you can see, this is the home page of Instagram, where you'll see various options like story icon at the very upper taskbar and various options like homepage, search icon, plus icon, Instagram marketplace, and your profile icon at the very bottom taskbar. So after that, you need to simply click on the profile icon at the very bottom right, and so after that you'll see the three straight lines at the very top right. So click on it and you'll see the option, not here, at the top right you'll see the option of plus icon. So click on it and you'll see the option like reels, post, story highlight, and so on. So click on the option of reels, and at the very right side of the reels you'll see the option of templates. So select the template which you find suitable or which you think is good for you. So click on the option of use template. Now you may select the photo which you want to add on the template. So select multiple photos and click on the option of next. So you may also edit the clip if you want. You may also edit the duration of the photo or in the template. So after that you may click on the option of next, and you may again click the option of next shown on it. So after that you may save it as a draft or you may save it on your feed. So that's it. That's how you can use Instagram reel as a template. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.